So now, just to summarise what we've discussed so far today, when the Scraping Hub legal team is evaluating a project that might contain a GDPR element, we will ask the following questions. So, is personal data involved? Does it come within the territorial scope of the GDPR? Do you have a lawful basis to process this personal data? Then we would look at your use case and we would offer suggestions on some of your other obligations under the GDPR, such as data retention and data minimization. We will always suggest anonymization if it is feasible in the circumstances. And we will never scrape special categories of personal data. So special categories of personal data is data that the GDPR has said is particularly sensitive, and so it requires additional protection. You need clear, explicit consent and another legitimate reason to scrape this data. And if you don't have both, then you should not be scraping it. Examples of special category data include personal data relating to racial or ethnic origin, political or religious beliefs. So when it comes to your web scraping project, if you can't be sure of GDPR compliance, then you should not scrape personal data. Data regulators are really starting to pick up pace in issuing fines because they want to demonstrate how important it is for you to comply with your GDPR obligations to ensure that the rights of individuals are being preserved. So if you have a web scraping project in mind and it may contain a personal data element, do feel free to contact us. We have a lot of knowledge and experience in this information in this area, and we would be happy to help you out with that. So thank you everybody for your time and your attention today. Any questions?